Hi, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted videos and the photos on the Android using a simple tool. So the process is pretty simple. So if you accidentally reset your phone or your videos or photos are lost and now you want to recover your photos and the videos, simply you have to follow this procedure. So to do this you need an application. So first of all you have to open your Play Store mobile application. And once you will open it, click search and you have to search for the photo recovery app. Once you will search for it, you will see multiple applications is here. Simply you have to download this one application. This application is working well. I have tried it for my own. So you have to install it on your phone. Once you will install it, simply you have to open it in your phone and click on the get started and click on the allow. Now you have to skip and you have to tap on the scan here. Now you will see two options here, scan images and scan video. Select scan images if you want to recover your photos and click on the scan videos if you want to recover your videos. So process is simple. You can recover your photos and the videos from this application. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.